Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can make money while commuting on the go, on the road, or anywhere you are traveling. So without further ado, let's get started. So, are you guys really tired of stuck in 9 to 5 job and you want an extra money? Yes, with Trump's tariffs, it is highly possible that the cost of living will go up, and then the income will stay same. So all of us need to make more money, that's for sure. So let's think today like how we can make money while commuting so that we can utilize that time to make additional money which will help us either pay the rent or mortgage or any other expenses. Or if it is more money, then we can also spend for traveling or on our hobby. So let's get started. So first, we will explore the best way to make money while traveling or working remotely in the USA. So I would say that some will really help commuting, while other will help while working from home. So this includes from freelancing to online surveys and from gig economy jobs to selling products online. So we'll cover everything. Whether you are a digital nomad or student or just someone looking for a side hustle, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make money on the go in the USA. Join me as I take on the challenge of making money on the go to USA. Can the side hustle make my way to success while traveling around? Yes, definitely. So let's join there. Join me as I take on the challenge of making money on the go in the USA. Can I hustle my way to success while traveling around? Yes. Earning money on the go is a concept that's becoming increasingly popular, especially in today's fast paced world where everybody is on the move. So let's go started. So first thing is drive for rideshare or delivery. So this is pretty much obvious and most popular way to make money because since you have let's say you have a car and you will have 5 to 8 people capacity, and so excluding you, let's say you can take 4 people to same place or 7 people in your van to the same place. So or or in on your route, right? So this will definitely make money because you make money, it will cover your gas expense, your insurance expense, or your car service expense. So this is really good and easy way to do it. So platforms are Uber or Lyft. Those two platform, or there is a also Facebook market. Facebook has the groups which are rideshare groups, and you can join them. And you see people usually say, "Oh, I want to go from point A to point B. Can somebody give me ride at this time?" And if it is a daily commute, you can, and it's on your route, then you can give them ride, and then you make money every day, uh, or on the go. So depends on the demand. So this is really very, very viable thing. I've seen this since at least 10 plus years. This thing is growing day by day because more and more people need this kind of rides, and people prefer traveling by car in rideshare versus public transportation because this is way faster than public transportation. The another thing is delivery. So if you, let's say your job is during um, evening commutes or at late night, so that time you can even hook up with DoorDash or Instacart or Uber Eats and or local pizza shop, and then you can do some deliveries and then you make money. So uh, the best time to make money here is on in afternoon, so during the lunch break, because that time usually offices and industries places large orders and they give really good tips. So they give at least 15 to 20% tip because they are corporate expenses, and that way you make lots of money because they, let's say they order 20 pizzas or 50 pizzas and you deliver that huge amount of pizzas, then they will pay you if even let's say 15 or 20% of the total amount, let's say 300 to $500, you make $100 straight. Yeah, this is true. Like I know a couple of pizza owners who don't send delivery driver. They themselves travel or to deliver their pizzas, and this is very viable. And I've seen they why they do by themselves, because they know that they will get tip of 100 or $150 per trip. So they just make two or three trip and they make $500 per day. So just imagine, in 5 days they make $2,500, and within a month they make $10,000 in cash. So, it's a really viable product, and you can make money. You should really try this. Now, this was a really pro tip. So yeah, stay with me for more pro tip. Now, how it works is that you commute into route to pick up passengers and deliveries, or you can schedule deliveries, um, and then you can just go on that, and that way like you don't have to do much detour. The usual income is 15 to 30 USD per hour, but as I say, like in lunch hour industry pays $100 plus for just one trip. So yeah, this is a do this thing. Now I will go to the next parts in next video because I want to keep video short. So today it will just discuss this one thing, but just join in part 2 for more information. Thank you.